Hey guys, welcome back to an all-new episode of Tuner Flicks. I'm here with Omega, working on the Castro Supra, of course, in which today PHR actually sent us an intake kit for a single turbo Supra. Now, PHR makes a variety of products, and this year's one of them is actually a 4-inch intake kit. Josh, you kind of want to talk about that?
So basically, this kit comes with everything that you need to bolt on the intake. It is a 4-inch intake, so it's a pretty beefy intake setup for sure.
Correct, and they also come in different colors, from matte black, gloss black, wrinkle black. The one we went with is a polish, just because our engine bay is pretty much polished.
Yeah.
You want to go ahead and open this thing up and see what they sent us?
Yeah, let's see it.
Let's do it. All right, so this is everything that came in the kit. Josh, we got a nice looking filter there, is that correct? Look at that. So this here's a PHR filter, even says PHR on the top over there. And then you have your pipe right here, nice 4-inch pipe. And we actually have our couplings, is that correct? So you got the PHR coupling here. Then we have 2 hose clamps, and yeah, I mean, it's just a plug and play. You wanna go ahead and put this thing on?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So right now we actually have a turbo shield on here. We can go ahead and remove this. Obviously this is great for shows, but it's not practical for daily driving. Hey, just like a glove. All right, so Josh, you want to walk us through the process?
Yeah, so pretty much put the coupling in. Intake pipe goes in here.
A little lube?
Yeah, just a little bit of lube. Nothing too crazy. You don't want to go a little bit too much. But yeah, and then you put the filter on and it's good to go.
Yep.
And then with this one, you could obviously angle it however you want. So, you know, any fitment issues you have, you could just kind of rotate it a little bit. But yeah, everything's pretty much simple.
Perfect, and yeah, I mean, it kind of flows well with the engine bay. And then of course, you know, with a quality filter like that, definitely a great way to go. And now if you guys had any questions at all, comment down below. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.